Good morning from Trott HQ. We got a busy one today. First one on the block is this CVO Harley Tour. This is a returning client. I've done all of his Harleys. This one he bought before Christmas from Kyle next door, RNC. The thing is, he does use this daily. As you can see, we've got lots of corrosion setting in already. So we're going to do one of our full works packages on this. We'll get all this cleaned up the best we can. Then we're going to treat it to a whole dose of XCP clear coat on all this lower half. The top half is going to get a two-stage machine polish, and we're going to treat all the body work to the signature 4K ceramic. But like I said, this lower half, as it's been ridden quite a bit and got corrosion already appearing, we will miss that with the XCP clear coat. Oh, these calipers are minging. I don't know what they put on the roads nowadays during the winter, but it will eat your bike alive if it's not properly protected. So we're going to get this cleaned, get a bit of snow foam on it, decontaminate it, get all this grit off of it, and then we'll get it in the studio, and I'm going to crack on with some serious polishing. Unfortunately, got a bit of chrome coming off there. Look at all the rust inside there. Yeah, we got lots of cleaning to do. We'll get those saddlebags off. Let's get it cleaned up. We'll get it in the studio and crack on with some proper detailing. This is going to take a good few hours. Okay, cracking on with this Harley. Of course, she was a right mess. This gets used daily. The gentleman is a construction manager, so it's on site most days. So yeah, she was minging. We have washed and decontaminated every nick and cranny of this bike. So we got, first step, put a bit of gloss paint on the bottom of those forks there where the paint's coming off. Thank God it's not black, because it would be showing. I mean, look at this. Just this cover here, this engine cover. Look at that, all scratched up. We're going to polish all that out, get all those scratches out of there, get a bit of clarity back into those engine cases. This is getting a full works package, so it will get XCP and signature 4K ceramic. I managed to get a lot of that rust off of there. We rubbed that down, but that's all going to get polished. We use the white diamond metal polish. Oh my God, look at that. Looks like it's been cleaned with sandpaper. Thank God it's not black. Anyway, yes. So we're going to do some serious polishing, XCP clear coat on these wheels. The rest of it's going to get the signature 4K ceramic, making sure to keep this bike properly protected. All the side covers are off. We have blow dried every nook and cranny, making sure to remove any moisture from any switch gear, plugs, etc. All that's going to get polished. Oh, this is going to take me most of the day. Anyway, let's get this painted, and then we'll crack on with a bit of detail and get some protection on it. All right, let's get a little black on these bottom of these fork legs, just where the moisture gets under there. Let's touch that up with a bit of black. Oh, let's get cracking on with some polishing. We've got the heavy hitters out today. Flex machine, we've got the little flex, and we've got a rupees orbital. So let's see if we can improve a few of these bits. I'm just going to do a couple of runs just to show you the difference. God, like I said, thank God this isn't black. Yeah, like I said, let's do a couple of runs on these cases, see if we can improve that. Oh, we love a little 50-50 action. That's before, that's obviously after. Just did a quick run with that. Still got some polishing to do on that. This air cleaner cover. See, it's like somebody's rubbed it down with sandpaper. A quick run. Much better. We'll do another run on that. We got all these engine covers to do. All this tank cover. Handlebars. These crash bars. Look at that. Oh, I got a bit of polishing to do there. Yes. All this needs a good polish. Oh, look at the difference that little bit of polishing makes. Much better. Time to lay down some special sauce. We're going with the Signature Pro, Signature 4K ceramic. I am going to airbrush it onto all the wheels, all the motor, and we will apply the Signature quartz to all the bodywork. There you go. This Harley CVO has now been fully trotted. Oh my God, look at the freaking gloss on that. Every single nook and cranny of this bike has been meticulously cleaned, polished, coated with the Signature 4K ceramic. Look at the gloss on that. These wheels, oh my goodness, look at the gloss. These were absolutely filthy. This thing has taken me all day. Every bit of black powder coating has been polished. All your engine cases, air cleaner cover, as you've seen, you've been following along. Everything then has been airbrushed. We put a little coating of the XCP clear coat underneath and on the fins and stuff. But the wheels, They've been coated with the Signature Pro, as well as all the bodywork. Look at the freaking gloss on that. Absolutely gleaming. Signature 4K ceramic, knocking it out of the park. Get yours booked in now. Don't let it get too late and your bike starts corroding. Get it down to us. Get it trotted. Get it protected so it stays looking like new for the years to come. Look at the gloss on that. Give us a buzz. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963. Time to go home. I think it's beer 30.